This program reads n students' marks in 5 tests into the rows of a 2D integer array such that one row contains one student marks in 5 tests, and then calculates average, maximum and minimum of any specified test. Assume the student's marks will be in between 0 to 100. Variables I, j, n, s, max, min and array A are declared. User will be asked to enter a value for the variable n. These two for loops reads the data into the 2D integer array. That is, for each student in 5 tests, students' marks will be read into the 2D array such that in one row a student marks in 5 tests will be available. Then user will be asked to enter the test number, in which the program is supposed to calculate the average, maxima and minima. Whatever user enters, that will be read into the variable j. For example, if the user wants second test, average, maxima, minima, he will be entering 2. However, remember that second test means which column of the matrix, data matrix, you will be having all the students' marks, column 1. Thus, j value will be reduced by 1. Initial value for s will be taken as 0, max will be 0 and also minima as 100. The for loop is written such that it will run for n times, as we have n students. Each time a student marks will be taken in jth column, and then the mark will be added to s. Mark will be compared with the maxima. If it is more than maxima, that will be taken as maxima, and compared with minima. If it is less than minima, that will be taken as minima. This is repeated on each student. The last printf statement will print average, maxima and minima. Let us assume the number of students as 7. Let us assume that the user has entered test number as 2, which means that really we have to consider column 1 of the data matrix, where for each student second test marks are available. Thus, j value has to be reduced by 1. J becomes 1. I value is initialized to 0. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij is added to s. Is Aij greater than max? That is 89 greater than 0? Yes. Thus, 89 will be assigned to max. Is Aij less than min? 89, is it less than 100? Yes. Thus, 89 is assigned to min. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij is added to s. Aij is it greater than max? That is 34 greater than 89? No. Is Aij less than min? Yes. Thus, 23 is assigned to min. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij will be added to yes. Is Aij greater than max? No. Is Aij less than min? No. Thus max and min will not be updated. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij will be added to yes. Is Aij 88 greater than max? No. Is it less than min? No. Thus, no action will take place. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij will be added to yes. Is Aij greater than max? No. Is it less than min? No. Thus, no action takes place. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij, that is 22, will be added to yes. Is Aij, that is 22, greater than max? 89? No. Is Aij, is it less than 23? Yes. Thus, this 22 will be taken as min. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? Yes. Aij value 73 is added to yes. As 73 is not more than max and also not less than min, no action takes place. I value will be incremented by 1. Is I less than n? No. By this time, we have traversed column 1 and considered all the students' marks in test 2. Their total became 425. The highest of them is 89. The lowest of them is 22. With the help of the last printf statement, the average, maxima, minima will be printed. This